James from Workshop Software. I'm here to show you this really cool new mobile app that we've got. It's got some really awesome features. I'm going to jump straight in and check it out. This is the Job Center. So if we just simply click on a job, it'll open up that job and you can see the details. If I want to click on the play sign, what that does is I'm now a technician and I can clock on and clock off the mechanic. If you scroll down, you can view a PDF of the actual job card, and this is the details on the job card. And I can do things like approve the job card. So I can get the customer to sign the job card, which is really, really cool. And that's really great for you to be covered legally. That's really important. The other thing that we can do is that we can go into the customer details. We can do things like even click on the customer's address and actually go directly to that customer's address. And this is really cool if you're a mobile mechanic or field service technician or something like that. You know, that's something that will really help, or you want to go to and visit a customer, that sort of thing. You can click on the mobile number and you can call or SMS the mobile as well, which is really great. You've got all the details of the vehicle, including the vehicle history. And then you've got the products. This is the really awesome area where you can edit the details of what's going on this particular job. So if I slide across, I can click on the edit. And let's say for argument's sake, I didn't want it 2 pads. We're only going to do 1 pad. I can change that and away I go. The other thing I can do is if I wanted to add product, I can just go and add another product onto the, a sensor on there and go and add one of those in. And I've gone and added that product onto the actual job card. It's really that simple and that quick and easy, which is super, super cool. The other thing is the notes. Now, what I really highly recommend is you just click on edit the notes, and in here, you click on the bottom. This is what you should be showing your technicians, is click the record button on the phone to record notes. How cool is that? That's all you need to do. And then you've got all those invoice notes in there. And that's how quick and easy it can be for your technicians. It's really that straightforward. It's super cool. You've got inspections, and if there's any inspections on this particular job, and you've got attachments, which are videos or photos. So if you click on here, I can go take a photo. I can take a photo outside of my office. I can go use photo. It'll upload that photo, and then instantly I get that photo up on my phone. It's really that simple. I can edit the photo, for example, and do some cool things with it as well. So there you have it. There's lots more to this. Plenty of more stuff that's in this mobile phone app, but it's got some really great features. Get your hand on it, download it from the app store, and start playing. Go for it. Thanks, guys.